Okay. Good morning, everyone. Session play today the morning and we look about on assessment. Okay, when we go through law assessment, we should go through finish law. And when we end them session play we should go through finish when we look say you got pull up you mean no make one assess you mean no make one activities. Again, say pa supposed to explain one assessment here, but you have to you understand it, you know make activity. That's why me delaying and to me like at issue with them internet, me say me like schedule session late. And sorry to lo morning lang a technical problem like connect cam. And sorry for keeping you all waiting. Okay, so by we go through lo to get assessment workbook ya. Cluster 1 with them cluster 2. By me go through, suppose at the end, suppose you like at any question or in between each task, suppose you like at any question by like so I ask him question anytime that when we start go through from that time where you need to ask him all questions suppose where you know clear law assessment task here. So this is cluster 1 when we go through law cluster 1 first time. So me want them suppose where you two your assessment workbook you following with me. So open them cluster 1 workbook you. After you start following with me, then we go through. We hope some law if like start finish especially all written questions, if should start making finish. I think all part where we should explain them law this morning me part law me asking me when we work as a team or in groups or more project. So cluster 1, I got written questions. Emia, suppose Mr. Kotrus, suppose where you got any question or any of the assessment tasks, you interrupt me or you ask him question for you or then we Mr. go through. So assessment task 1, all written questions here, and basically all written questions no more. When you need you make them. This is individual work and you must make them you one. So all questions here are related to what we have covered. We cover them up all topics here finished. And suppose to even no clear or any of the questions, I mean by ask me, let me explain them. So question 1, and me asking you about all me focus on resources, written questions here. Part A, me focus on resources and sources to determine LLM skills. So I'm gonna all questions plan and next thing you should start pulling up and finish. Look any questions or any comments you come back to ask them anything to do with this assessment task. So me hope say if everyone me familiar me clear with them. The part B me determine LLM skills requirement of a unit of competency. Now look but me want them explain them from you got one part where me missing. Lo part B, me asking you, you work or someone in a team, or it could be a team, meaning it could be 2 people working together, or it could be more than 2 people working together. Lo make them task B, part B. Okay, so it may be based on one scenario. The scenario may be just insert them inside lo place here. Scenario ya may start lo cluster 2. Suppose you look nara workbook 2. You got same scenario he may start inside. So me just carry no more ikam inside the place blow you may work lo same scenario no more all throughout the assessment. Lo same you know lose contract may you know confused. So lo part here he may asking you blow you work with one friend. Okay, so naya by two or more than two as a team, by work flow make activity part B ya. So if work together after individually by you karem answer you, by you can full map lo assessment workbook you. So hemi scenario hemi start. Okay. So scenario hemi start iminim say by you call website lo FQA after by you call look lo certificate 1 in business. Well, you write lo place ya. Certificate 1 in business after you choose one unit of competency. You choose one unit of competency whereby you apply work lahem. So lo place by you must work in a team. More than one person, you know, sabe work you one. So all answer blow him help you blow you sabe make him the next part. Next part na by you one you make him. So part pia him need you blow work with one naraman or all nara colleagues play you like come up with a mall. One in findings play plus possible choose one unit of competency for this group of learners where you start the scenario ya. By you like focus the unit of competency ya na lo place ya lo task ya. More the same unit of competency by you use to lo cluster 2. Tamo you come you look lo project dekat semak scenario tu hemi apia lo place ya. Okay, so that hemi kibi me blow you work lo semak scenario ya no more. I mean semak unit of competency ya no more all throughout until the end of the training. By you focus lo group of learners who hemi sab scenario ya with them unit of competency where you choose whom. Okay, so if everyone if must agree, suppose if work as a team, agree lo one unit of competency and then lo qualification ya certificate 1 in business. Istre? Can we like a small time? Suppose anyone got any comment? You don't have comment, lo please ya? Everyone, you're right? Now challenge play you, and you find one unit of competency. Lo please ya by it depends on qualifications so you make out law training providers play me some law units of competency, Miss Avekar law nara qualification. So suppose you cut any other units of competency law all qualifications where you like access to finish so any part plot this qualification here you sabi use some. Instead of you ask him if you will give you one lo you mean. Because suppose you knock at then even if somebody must ask him let me sabe or you must also put FQA lo him give you one unit of competency plus qualification ya lo you like work lahem. All right. So can we like full make him as a team finish? We will answer more questions here now. Block make him. So lo please here hemi one table we will like make him lo activity blue finish. Okay. Lo example we will make him through lo activity ya. The same example by using this time you're going to use another unit of competency when we come under this qualification. Certificate 1 in business. Lo full map table ya. You determine all LLM requirements for unit of competency. Okay, so by you look say ikat two table of place ya. So unit 1 and it lo scenario me antap ya. Okay, look me right scenario lehem. So unit 1 have a scenario where me one unit of competency where me come out lo certificate 1 in business. Okay, hemia scenario ya hemina stop logo kuklo you where you cut na ya. Me just stop insert them no more. Belum kan say hemi easy lo you follow. Bese mak scenario ya hemi stop lo narahola unit of competence lo narahola assessment workbook. Pepa mi butum lo modul, mi butum copy lo assessment workbook ya, we mi kat, we butum scenario ya inside finish. So by look to la tepole, you got one tepole, lo you analyze them or determine them all LLM requirements, lo unit of competency, lo this certificate here, 1 unit of competency, we mi kamar lo certificate 1 in business, hemiana hemi lo first table, okay, hemi lo scenario. So this one here, you do it as a team, in groups. If I make them together, full map table. So everyone should have the same answer. If like, but one man, hemi full map on table blahem. But answer if like hemi se mak no more. Right? Kenara wala table na ya lo plesia. Hemi talent say you need to hemi specific learner group. Na ya by you choose one unit of competency lo area plu you. Suppose you start teaching, for example, cookery or mechanic or one name, okay? By you call qualification, we start teaching na ya or qualification lo area plu you must be one accredited unit of competency or accredited qualification. But you just one unit of competency whereby you give him all trainers or learners to you. So we are planning to deliver a training. You must plan to deliver one training lo one group of learners. Group of learners na hemi one hemi no all kiaman made up one, na hemi one real one. So hemi lo next table ya, by hemi one unit of competency whereby you deliver lo group of learners where you cut. Hemi all real people by deliver learn. By deliver and training ya lo kita. So you choose one unit of competency. After na by hemi individually, by you make him you one. Okay, so first one you make him as a group. Second one you can make him you one no more. But you want to make him you analyze him unit of competency. You determine him all LLM requirements. Play him or full map table. All right, everyone clear? Any questions? Any comments? You know that? Suppose you don't have any comments or questions, let me move on. Okay, part C. Part C, me asking you, lo, suppose you think about first activity blaming, lo session 2. Session 2, first activity blaming, me asking you, you develop one job role. So, lo plesia part C, me sema. One job role, me one everyday task, lo specific area blue. Okay? One small one no more. So let's say by you describing one job role, sometimes as a trainer in your own industry or professional area, think of a simple everyday workplace task that requires level 2 LLM skills. So even if say, by you must think about one task where level blame by level 2. Okay, so how you write them? How you write them too? You must make sure say you as a trainer, you write them you write them task here, level 2. Level 2 blow null. Okay. Adult language literacy and numeracy framework. So you must write for them null. So meaning say by use null for you, lo help me blow how you say write them all task for you. Task blow job ya. So I mean one very specific, one small one or more, one small job role. And him help me blow is able to write lo different different on a national adult language and literacy numeracy framework levels, or different levels that you me helping you blow as a trainer, so we develop more resources for you, low different levels. Okay, so my activity I'm start asking you blow me so you must identify one everyday job role or area for you. After you try to describe him and answer more question when you start. Okay. So let's say you look at the table. Lo table lo place ya. Hemi butum me include every macro skills. Every macro skills inside here. But ino meaning say lo job role blue where you been describing antapia by maskat every macro skills inside. Okay. But you know when you analyzing, you identifying say how many. I mean which one macro skills na hemi step inside here. And then lo place na by you full map. You full map part ya we hemi plan here. Any question? You know what question? Otherwise, when we move on, okay, so I made me task 1. Now task 2, I made one project. Task 2, I made project. Are you looking at part A? Part A, I say you have to determine LLM skills need of your group of learners. Okay, so part A, yeah, by you choose one unit of competency where you've been analyzing finish and tap lo place here, okay? So, semak unit of competency yana by using part A blow project. Okay, lo place here. So use semak unit of competency ya, lo place here na mo say this assessment task has 2 parts. You are required to complete 4 parts. Complete a form about your learners as to what tasks they will need to do in relation to each of the macro skills to successfully complete their course. So I'm very realistic. Let me ask you, you must start one group of learners whereby you deliver and training you lol kita. Okay. So suppose where you start plan to deliver one training. After you got information finished about who or learners to you, who now or learners to you, then by me helping you, please have a full map here. Suppose where you not have any group of learners, then evening say you make one simulation more with real people. So we just one group of people, please have a deliver and training locata, or best say you all team member you know deliver and training locata. Okay, we'll make sure say you have one real group of learners who you deliver and training and all that. So now me time is thinking about how now we deliver and training to you because we are preparing for training. You must prepare for training. Therefore, you must service who now by you start deliver and training to you all that. So you already know what the unit of competency is. We've been to Zoom and tap for your specific learner groups. So specific learner group you where you deliver and training logata. And then you start prepare from after let's say me asking you blog. You must complete some form here about your learners. But look lo task here, lo part 1. Part 1 is more about the unit of competency where you've been choosing lo deliver and lo learners to you. One in kind reading na bali mekem. So by must identify if there is any reading in the unit of competency. Okay, so imi all answer play, we should determine and finish antap. Which is karena mo antap dengan full map lo please ya. Now you determine all LLN skills lo unit ya antap. Which is karena mo you come full map all answers play lo please ya. From my use I say one na all LLN skills. Maybe you got reading inside, you got writing inside. So by you identify one reading for example, by you must make them. One writing by you make them. Okay, depending lo one macro skills you can identify lo unit of competency you whereby you use lo learners you. After you use all information where you find everything stand up, you can pull them up table yeah. Part 1 lo please yeah. A1. And then part 2 hemifolem. Okay, but you work with them who from say by me developing one learning support and when you identify all learners put them low LLM skills. Then imilim say by me work with them all people boleh sabe help me lo support them all learners ya. So lo bisa na ba sabe kan full map table ya. So, in the name of stakeholders you have worked with. All right? So, I mean, if you have information here, log please here. And then part 3 plan, and it's just one questions no more, you answer them. Okay, part P per project. Hemi talem se address to identify the LLM skills needs of your learner group. Okay, so naya lo please here. Suppose we use who na we deliver and training you lol keta. Okay, so we are planning to deliver a training to a certain group of people. Suppose we use who na we deliver and training you lol keta. Okay, one information we need lo karamat lo lenas bling hemi all LLM skills lol keta. Okay, so you must karamat you must find them all LLM skills level lol keta, and especially those who only got low LLM skills. Hemi na ba hemi part pia ba you can blow answer them. Part pia blow how na you support them all keta. So I mean asking you now blow you identify hemi talem say by you identifying 2 macro skills. It could be from one learner where hemi like 2 macro skills here or 2 different learners. Hemi talem say must be 2 macro skills. Whereby you look lehem. How na ba you support them learner where hemi weak lo double macro skills here. It could be reading and writing, it could be speaking and listening or speaking and writing. So any one of them, any 2 of them. Okay? Suppose we only weak lo any 2 of them. And now you can answer in question A yeah. But then B. After you full map table there. Okay? So let's say you insert them, for example, lo table first table macro skills 1. So let's say maybe speaking. Okay, you put speaking lo please yeah. After na how na by when all resources play you, when you carry more resources play you lehem. Okay, lo sabe support them more learners play you yeah. And semak lo table number 2. Okay, part C may assemble assessment strategies for you. Maybe should be okay unless where clear him. Okay, most of the things by, for example, lo parts here, some of these things here probably start lo learning program you lo cluster 2. So when you have answer ini, you have make a reference to C, for example, C learning program, lo lena group lo mi lo cluster 2 workbook. Instead lo you copy everyone you can lo bisa pakai kan. Alright? And then but you review more resources for you. Or learning strategy where you've been Jusum, or strengths blogata, weaknesses blogata, and areas for improvement. And especially you cannot fill this table in, you know, some full map table until where you make them deliver it to you. So task this assessment workbook project by some by you struggle blow you suppose you start thinking blow work with them all group of learners blow you I think by you find them hard blow find them all group of learners blow you and unless you start delivering training blow you naya suppose you start involved blow any training blow you naya mo you kat all group of learners we support you naya you may have make them task 2 ya suppose you no kat yet mo start plan from okay even say by you sabe delaying task 2 project you sabe delaying until ox okay so when you submit team assessment to you no workbook here task 1 must be fully submitted task 2 when you next everyone roll submit team suppose you sabe submit team you submit team suppose you must have submit team everyone then by you just start submitting law August. After law end block next block play you mean. Okay, everyone clear what I mean? From here, me ask you, believe what a real group of learners here. No project here. The suppose when you submit again, then you want them to submitting assessment you come as soon as possible. The due deadline by me on about 13 June. It could be after 13 June. In between, you submitting. Otherwise, ox semi latest. So you finishing task here. Task 2. Okay, so maybe apply now every part A or part B and part C. So project, you must have a delay. Okay, any questions? Any task 1 assessment? Part here, me asking you you make 2 learning programs. Sorry, 2 learner plan. We develop 2 individual learning and assessment plan. Okay, so 1 plus scenario, 1 plus learner group you. And as a individual learning plan ya, mi blow kita we only lakem all LLN skills blow kita only low. Then you must make 1 individual learning plan blow kita lo how na you support mo kita lo training. Okay, lo make sure say only successful lo training. And the LLN skills blow kita hemi one something where mi sabe hinder him, hemi sabe stop mo kita blow only learn so lo bisa na learning plan for you hemi come in place. Lo how na you support mo kita. So you have to develop 2 learning plans for 2 different learners. Okay, so 2 different learners here. It could be learners from the scenario. It could be any learners from your specific group of learners. Then me asking you, you develop them 2 individual learning plan. And then I got to a template is start look this year. All right, so I mean pass. Oh, sorry, assessment workbook 1, cluster 1. Suppose we are not clear. We are not clear, no any of the assessment tasks. Make sure you ask him a question. You ask me blow. You have helping you or yes, explain more. Okay, by me sharing now, by me finish here now. Suppose you don't have any questions. You got anyone? You got any question? Law assessment workbook 1.
Angela.
Yes.
Me come back no part C. From le plaisir c'est Italement c'est pas mi bla performance lo oltasia lo level 2. Bekat sam no mi bla li statici mo unit lo level 1 no mo tekem sam unit lo level 1. Hauna ba mi bla I mekem ba mi bla still kolukate wanara unit lo level 2.
Which one?
Evidence from mi bla. No cluster 1 ya.
Cluster 1. One in task again.
Letas part C.
Task 1, part C.
Mbak Mivla masuk one unit lo level 2. So Mivla, samlo Mivla li teach mo unit ya emi level 1. We Mivla istako tekem lo samlo la area.
Part C ya. Lo part C.
Yes, lo part C.
Okay, part C represent nothing to do with your unit of competency. No involvement unit of competency. Please, talent say, but you have to think of a simple everyday workplace task where you have deliver lo level 2 blow null. Help me blow write lo level 2. You was a trainer. How now you write them one, for example, activity or one resource. Lo level 2 blow learners you will come but the LLM skills lo level you understand them. So I mean nothing to do with your unit of competency. I mean asking you about one everyday workplace task.
Okay.
So everyday workplace task it could be any everyday workplace task where you are familiar with them. Then I mean asking you must write them. Task you must append skill plan kasem level 2. You write lo level ya. So level 2 you could redeem by again null. How simple is it? I mean very, very simple. All right?
Right.
Okay, suppose you don't have any more question, but we continue lo cluster 2. Okay, cluster 2 ikat ka hemisema ko sem narawan ikat task 1 within task 2, task 1 in your written questions, task 2 in your project. Part A block cluster 2, assessment workbook 2 ya. You make and finish. So I mean you submitting finish, you come. So you don't need to you make them pakai can. Okay? Part A ya. Part B you need to make them. So I can have your written questions. You need more written answers with you full map no more table where you start. Part C is mark. And part D2 is mark. So everything where me written every written questions here now part A and part D ya. Part A you submitting finish, so you don't need to make them. Part B no more come kasih part D, but you need to make them. Alright? Okay, task 2. Okay, part A, lo task 2, part A. Lo presea, lo feste polea. And me a question lo presea, and me ask him about, me personal ya, and me ask him about yourself. Okay, your area of expertise. They're very important when you sabe, one area you sabe one sector. Vocational sector, training sector, one vocational area you must have me ask him, for example, question 1, me ask him, say, what is your industry sector? So remember, you answer him, you sabe, say, you area you him one him. Alright? So after some law, for example, law, question number 3, lo presea, me information is post where you lo sabe, misalnya si you lay approval to deliver some all courses. So if you like to find them out with them cost developer play who na you been ask them or he been work lo process plot approval to deliver lo courses play lo training provider play if you like to find them out all answers inside lo application ya. Suppose no, but you like call them PQA, you find them out. Okay, from for example, name the IEP and ISC, but you need law. Suppose you know sabe, then try call them PQA him all staff lo PQA sabe answer him. And him IEP and ISC him lo responsible for the development of accredited training in your sector. So him lo area play you. For example, somebody me teaching, for example, hospitality and tourism, him one sector. Business and finance, I mean one different sector pagakan. Ikat mechanic construction and one of different sector pagakan. So different sector ya, only got different IEP with them different ISC. So by you suppose you no sabe, you suppose you sabe sector blue, you just put no mataon ya, and it's simple. Suppose you no sure, you sabe check with them PQA, play me confirm them blue. So one na name lo IEP with them ISC lo sector where hemi vocational area blue. After you come to question number 4 na you must follow PQA website lo answer question 4. You go to website lo PQA after you answer question 4 but you must look lo area blue lo industry sector blue hamas qualification na hemi accredited hemi start lo website lo PQA where hemi current na ya lo Vanuatu. Okay, so hemi ask hemi nom lo ibutum code with the title lo qualifications ya. So hemi you know sabe start case from answer blue hemi one way misal lo website lo PQA You must go check the website to PQA to find the mathemia. And then part B, next part play. Let me say analyze one unit of one qualification or accredited course and answer the questions below. Please. Okay, so once you got one, you service the one qualification, you sub deliver or one unit of competency, you sub teaching. One especially focus the unit of competency, but you give him all trainees you or learners you. After you come answer question 5 here, you can send question 18. Help me understand them put one no qualification when you start deliver them. One how many units of competency inside here, one how different PQF level plan, how many credit points in total. So me part here helping me you understand one qualification and what's in a unit of competency. All right, so maybe next part play. After we go to part B. Say explore a unit of competency and its assessment requirements. So in order you make here, the way you may analyze one unit of competency, you may analyze and interpret a unit of competency. Okay? Lo na ba you full map. Mi buto one table lo plesia, ino minim se ba you full map table ya. Table way stop you can full map. Hemi block talent no you say hemi or something will start inside the one unit of competency. Every something here you find them inside the one unit of competency. Okay, so it means say one unit of competency blue you where you've been choosing blue deliver them one group of learners blue you yeah. The same unit of competency where you've been choosing blue cluster 1. Okay, so much unit of competency and you analyze them or you interpret them. After the place here, you don't need to full map here. You have copy and paste. You come inside here. Karena table here. So you karena table here. After you copy paste unit of competency, where you analyze them, where you interpret them finish. You come inside here. Oh, you more better say you make a reference na mo lehem say one different. One separate attachment. But you sabi talem say see attached. You shall make a reference them say see attached and you say by one different attachment but you submitting with them assessment here where me look low unit of competency where you've been analyze them where you interpreting. Okay, so that means you analyze and interpret the whole unit of competency or some one law activity where we've been giving you make him, and that's what me ask him the place you make him. Okay, so te boleh me just show me no more say me one unit of competency, but you don't have to come and fill this table in. Okay, me clear? Okay. Anyone got any questions? If you want to talk, you unmute or you say talk. After part C, can anyone let me ask some questions? Let me go to part C. Part C, you design and develop a learning program, a competency-based learning program. Okay, so please here, part C learning program by me based the scenario yo. So scenario ya, hemi semak scenario where is upload cluster 1, you can copy cluster 1. So you develop a learning program for this group of learners with upload scenario. And again, hemia learning program ya, you will make them as a team. You will still work together as a team, for develop a learning program for scenario ya. You will determine LLN requirements plan finish lo cluster 1. You will come still as a team, you will make them hemia back. Okay, now you will develop a one learning program as a team. Make sure you answer them every question to him here. Okay, all the content to him here. One custom 17. And we should start inside the learning program template. By you look low one session here, maybe one template low learning program. So let's say you use some learning program template here. Lo full map template here. Lo answer all something where you start let's say, or you should start inside the template lo learning program. Check and almost because any of the points here, for example, 1 kasem 14 here, suppose you know at any of the points, let's say, is start inside the learning program, you must include them inside. The template need to be marked finish lo you. So you use some semak template here, lo develop learning program, lo this group of learners, lo scenario here. And you do this together as a team. Okay, after you got written questions, me follow me straightforward. So you just answer them all questions here no more. Party, again, you need to develop another learning program. This time around, first one and that we develop one group of learners as a team. Ke scenario ya. Okay, party naya by me individual. Okay, me tell say work as an individual. So it means naya you focus lo learner group lo you. Okay, specific learner group lo you by you make training lo you lor keta. Naya you make delivery plan lor keta na me one learning program ya you develop lo learner group lo you. Right? So learner group lo you naya me group of learners lo say me different. Lo hemi antap hemi one scenario represent hemi a real group of learners where you actually deliver and training you lot better. So I mean part D part D blow project here. After I got some more written questions and for them. And probably yeah, that's it. Journal here, task 3. Emi one journal. Emi also could be one diary. Emi best we could be one weekly diary. Lo one emi will make them throughout the week. Lo area of training and assessment. As a trainer, as an assessor, one em now something we will make him. You been involved him throughout the week. So you just make one summary him no more. Make one journal for you. So you inside your diary for you should keep one record or maybe lo laptop for you or computer for you. You keep one record lo weekly activities for you. One em you been making throughout the week. And me assessment plan, real assessment plan by me come out lo last unit of competency when me cover up lo course here. Because for you looking lo say me ask him something we have to do with them learning program. Okay. So if you are involved in some of these things here, then you must be record for you. How now you make them, what time you make them, how many times you been make them activity or same. So journal hemi for the whole duration, it means the whole duration of the course until when you may finish him course, you may give him out last assessment. By me asking him to give you one report. You write one report by me place the journal where you can keep it. So I mean the last part for cluster 2. Otherwise all assessment task plan only now we go through. Suppose anyone got any questions. Please have ask him Well, question to you. Suppose you got any questions or any comments? Belum Mekem? We give him small time. Let me ask him a question. Suppose you got any question. Suppose you don't have any question.
Question or
Yes, one got question? You don't have question? Suppose you don't have question? You say like, all right, you got pull up lo Yumi, you may not be making all activities. So suppose you may not be making all activities by me finding me have lo some law all assessment task here. Okay, so it's very important. Then when we schedule on training, me expect me bring me for them training, and that wasn't the case. Me look say you me take them training or some say you me come in lo on time bring me blow you me make them. But you must have a certain way me schedule training. Hemi all time yana blow you focus lo training because hemi se magnum or semi come blow for example me come lo santo. After me come me take them 3 weeks blow me come running training lo santo lo 3 weeks ya. Okay. So hemi se magnum mo, it means you give him whole 3 weeks per year lo training ya. And make sure say you complete him every activity blow each day lo time yana. Sometimes when you start delaying ko, you must have a check and blow how much day we pass finish. So me expect you blow every activity when we put on blow every session you complete him blow day ya. You submit him camp blow you must have a check him. More and me help you blow you on track with them what's coming up next. From otherwise, suppose you start come blow watch him all session no more, missing on session no more. By me have blow you for them. From you know make participate blow any activity. So mereka say naya kat pula boleh sambil ini well me just tak opak basta mereka mola activities naya be hemi time when we naya hemi time boleh mereka assessment dulu you time when you zoom boleh mereka assessment dulu you mau you submitin lo date when me putum unless we misalnya say okay hemi aya bayu nasa mereka you submitin lo one rafla date otherwise assessment dulu ini hemi everyone cluster 1 and cluster 2 will due on number 13 of June, which is in 2 weeks' time. Okay, 13 of June, every assessment must be submitted. Unless where you got one good valid reason for one now, but you must have submitting the 13 June. Okay, except law cluster 1 workbook, project, task 2, law cluster 1, you must have a delay. You must have submitting late, but task 1, we must submit him come in law number 13 of June. Cluster 2, every assessment must be submitted. Every task must be submitted. All right. So in 2 weeks' time, then we like make one assessment, after you continue with them Manara block. and pamimas talem say all assessment blame only heavy. So that means you have to, you must focus, especially suppose where you miss, some where you miss up cut all students blame me naya, after you miss up run more training too. By you say you need him a lot of commitment where you make him law study blame me, what them work blame me. But the only time where you say a lot of work blame you, any time where you free. But otherwise, all schedule time for training, any time where you committing you training. So, me no want them say delay more assessments play because possible delay by go next block, tikat assessment plan maybe plan more. You got full up more work play next block because they need to do with them assessment. So supposed to you try to explain you play for completing every assessment where you cut naya. You submit him come so that he free you got time to make more next assessment or another activities so come on next block. So next block can be also very intensive. Tang mi kala intensive, you mean say tang mi schedule 3 weeks of training, you mean say 3 weeks you committing you every day, whole day blow training. From isemakna mo sa mingan lo lugi lo santo kamiran training blow 3 weeks ya. Alright. So that means that me want them say the next block, me want them say every day all activity when me butuh, you make sure say you submit all activity on the same day. You complete it, you submit on the same day so that means have a check-in. You know, by lema vista poco, you can block. Maybe 1 week pass, I'll just submit all activity. All right, so anyone have me find him kose him hat? Osem pamitalem se kose ya se mi contemplate mi heavy. Level bank maybe high little bit. At the moment, we between certificate 4, maybe could be diploma level yeah, or la contemplate maybe high. Level bank maybe high. By you will say workplace maybe heavy too much. That full of something blow you make him. And he blow meeting more requirements for figure him is up to mount. Figure him is up to more standard sikam or policy blame when come out. And we must meet him, so that's why every something we Mr. Kavarema when or something where policy, set policy, and we implement them. So as trainers and assistants, we must catch up with them what's new and how now we saverane training blame lonaya na iko. Before you start making kainya, penaya hemi different. So you got all requirements we must meet him. So even meet him, even I looking say fiko him save camp the register and all training provider play me. That's why me look say me heavy. Naya me yes, contemplate me heavy. You got full of workload playing by you must try and catch up with them, full of something where you need to survey. And misalnya saya fill up me bali struggle blow finishing course ya, and especially with the mall assessment. Otherwise, pa yung Mr. Finish ya na ya. Post anything you will email me, you will send me email or you will call me. Suppose you will got any questions lo any part lo assessment as you start making me call. But now lo paling bagay kayo mo reminding me say assessment me due every assessment only due lo na 13 of June, which is the first day lo next block lo yumi. All right. Suppose you got any more comments or from anyone, then me take say everyone have me clear lo assessment lo like make him. Amian asemita finish. You got any comments or any questions? You email me or you call me. Lo misalnya explain more lo you. Alright, so bisa talem tata nananya. Oh, one question before me go. Before me go, we will like to say, logo term assessment na ya, we will like to say by England need him support. You got 2 weeks to start. You got 2 weeks to start. You say, Miss, I will take 1 week up, look, I'm down, la Malikula or Santo. Suppose you will like to say, I really need him support, Miss Town, what you will have, explain him or make him some law assessment here. Explain him some law assessment here, you will have. Suppose you will like to say, you need law, me come, then we got this week no more, next week is the last week. Mr. come before all assessments only due. But otherwise, next trip me, I mean, schedule finish is upload delivery plan me, me visit Malekula or the Los Santo. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.